Okay, so now let's look at this other workbook as well. This is for those of you who are interested in incorporating the directory slash authority site model into your agency selling workflow. Step one, create a best of style listing site. You can do this on any platform that you like. I recommend something like Superstash or something that's really low cost. You can do this on Beacon. You can even do this on something like Craft, which is a like a word processing Notion alternative. I've covered how to do this in other tutorials. Step number two, you're going to seed the site by dint of adding listings, resources, and or collections of people with lots of great reviews. Google reviews, Yelp reviews, etc. work best if you're doing this in a local community. If you're doing this for like products, like Gumroad products, that sort of thing, or Amazon products, you would just add collections of product reviews rather than people. Step number three, email folks to let them know they've been added and send them a link to the site. You're simply going to send somebody a very short, succinct, complimentary email letting them know that all of the best local pizza places, realtors, financial advisors, sushi restaurants, contractors, dentists, whatever it is that you're targeting, are all being featured in one place for the local public, and you are curating all the best of in your niche market, vertical, industry, or local community. Step number five is simply have a course, as we've covered elsewhere, showing folks how to actually embed their testimonials on their website, right? This is the piece that allows you to A, either make affiliate commissions, or B, sell services. So you make affiliate commissions by dint of in the course, which could be something just like I'm doing right here. You're showing people how to add something like testimonials.to or Senja or any analogous testimonial based web platform, software as a service, that will pay you a commission for each customer that you refer. Or two, you're going to get folks who are going to be like, shit, I love the idea, but I have no idea how to actually add these testimonials to my website. Can you help me? And of course, you have a service that you're offering to those folks that actually does the thing that you're teaching them how to do in this step. You want to feature this at the top of the site, obviously. If you're using something like, WordPress or Superstash or even Beacon, you can feature the course so it's the top thing that people see, on the actual site itself. So if you have, let's say, the 100 best psychic mediums or life coaches or dentists or plumbers or pizza places, you're going to have, and I recommend doing a smaller number than that, by the way. But if you have that site, you're going to embed or post a link to the course that you're actually teaching them how to do something at the very top. So this is, how this is not missed by the large you know, uh, by the majority of the folks who are going to be scrolling around the site. They're going to look at the site and see who else is there. And if the top thing is like, you know, how to actually embed your best reviews, your favorite foodies, your favorite reviews of your hair salon, whatever it may be, and that little course there at the top actually is where you can either make an affiliate commission or sell a service or a combination of both. All right. It's ethical, it's easy, and you can actually send what I like to do, and I've covered this before in our little course, is have the specific number of reviews that folks have and lead with that. So if you're sending an email outreach to a hair salon and you're selling this sort of service, you want to actually say, hey, Joe, fantastic, just checked out your Yelp reviews. You have 100 fantastic 5-star reviews, and we're curating a community of a listing site for the top businesses or top styling salons, or just top businesses in ABC community, ABC town, and you're in the recommended hair salon section, and we wanted to actually send you a link to your listing, and a great way of actually adding all those Yelp reviews to your website so that other folks can see all the exceptional endorsements and enthusiastic endorsements that you're getting from your own client community. Some variation of that pitch works wonderfully well because it's human psychology. It's not marketing. You're telling people that all of the wonderful words that other people are saying in the world about their work is being featured in this new local or niche site that celebrates all of the best of the best. They are one of the best of the best, and here's how they can take those reviews and portably move them into their own landing pages, their own website, their own whatever platform they use. And you're doing a service by dint of sharing that with them. You're not selling them on anything. You're just telling them how to do something that ostensibly very few will actually be able to do. So if they can't do it, they need to hire someone to help them. And that person is going to be more likely than not, under consideration at least, you. Okie doke. Hope this has been helpful. Again, you can download this along with all the other PDFs in our course community. Teach what you know, do what you love. Wake up the world with your work. I appreciate you watching. And if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.